Hey everyone, Lee here, and in this quick video I'm going to show you how to send a one-time photo on WhatsApp. It's a nifty little trick that not many people know about, so let's jump right into it. First, let's open up WhatsApp and select the conversation you want to send the one-time photo to. Then let's tap on the camera icon at the bottom right hand corner of the screen. Take a quick photo of whatever you want to send and add a filter, caption or anything else you would like. But here's the trick. Look to the right of the Add a Caption section and you'll see a little one icon. Tap on it and it will say Photo set to view only once. Once you've confirmed that the one icon is selected, hit the share icon at the bottom right hand corner of the screen. The person receiving the photo will only be able to view it once before it disappears forever. And that's it. You have successfully sent a one-time photo on WhatsApp. I hope this little trick helps you out. And if you have any other WhatsApp tips or tricks, feel free to share them in the comments below. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.